Doon naman tayo sa paluwagan. Ano ba itong paluwagan? Ang paluwagan ay terminology ng ating mga Pinoy at tungkol sa pinansyal ito. At isang paraan ng pag-iipon ng pera. And it's very popular in the Philippines, especially dun sa mga magbabarkada o sa kumpanya, co-employees. Ang tawag dito sa Bisaya dawat-dawat, no? Kadalasan, no, ito nga ay sa magkakapitbahay, magkakaibigan, magkakatrabaho, magkakamag-anak, at they pull in money, no? And it's a form of forced savings. At sa pamamagitan ng raffle or pagturo kung sino ang mauuna, pangalawa, huling makakakuha ng perang iniipon. So, ito ba ay legal? That's the only issue that we have here. And ito ay governed by a circular from the Supreme Court, yung Dina Castillo versus Zenaida Benzillo. And ang sabi dito ni Justice Melo, ang paluwagan is not prohibited under our laws. Paluwagan is not gambling or lottery. It is not a game of chance where one wins while the others lose. No? It is a scheme where the members agree to put their money in a common fund, each one of them receiving the total amount collected from all members for a given period at a specified time designated as to their particular schedule. Hindi siya wagering, hindi siya pustahan, hindi siya sugal, and it is not punished under the revised penal code. Isa pang kaso, yung Barangan versus Court of Appeals. Ang sabi ng Korte Suprema ulit, paluwagan is not illegal per se. No? At kailan siya magkakaroon ng criminal liability? Pag sa due date, si due date ay hindi naibigay yung share, yung forced savings ng isang membro doon sa paluwagan scheme, then there arises a liability for estafa. Kasi nga, meron kang dapat ibigay and for one reason or another hindi mo binigay, then that is already a ground for criminal action against yung person na hindi nagbibigay ng kanyang total amount due. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung humahawak ng paluwagan. Kung baga sa Mahjong, ito yung bangka. At kung hindi niya binigay, then that is that time that you can sue him or her for estafa. But in the meantime, ang sabi ng ating Korte Suprema, that is forced savings and it is not illegal.